Hi, I'm Alan Steinbach from Garner Customs and Restorations. We have our whole crew here unveiling Steve Minore's 70 W31. This car is very special. It's been a long time in coming. I'd like to introduce you to the other guys here. This is my partner Ken, Garner, and we got Frank McAvoy, Franklin Trico, Brian Garner, and of course Steve Minore himself. And we got Steve's parents back here and his brother. Ken, you want to
talk
to you a little bit about the car?
About the car. We got this car in February of last year. We finally convinced Steve that it wasn't going to get done if he let it sit there in the Connecticut snow much longer. So we brought it down to Florida and started its frame-off restoration. It was a very challenging project. There was a lot of rot in the car. It had been dragged around for, I want to say, probably 15 years and not done. So we got it as a basic shell and nothing else. Steve sent us a bevy of parts for the next 9 months. Franklin is my body guy. Frank assembly, Brian assembly. And it was a team effort. We just worked our butts off, and I wanted to give a shout out to our wives for letting us disappear.
Yes, absolutely.
Months at a time to get this car done for this MCACN show. We're real pleased to have done it. We saved another one, and we think that it's a fine example of what Oldsmobile brought to the table back in 1970. Also with us today, I just want to point out over here, is a 1967 Mustang Fastback. I won't speak much about that, but that's also a one-of-one Mustang Fastback that we brought along just kind of show the community that we do more than just Oldsmobile.
Before that, I'd like to just thank MCACN. We sponsored the W31 Invitational and Ramrod Oldsmobiles. We're happy to be part of this show. It's been incredible and humbling to be among this many beautiful cars, over 550 cars.
Unbelievable.
And we're very privileged to be here. This man's.
Yeah.
We love this guy.
I've been waiting for this day a long time.
A lot of hell together.
Yeah.
But
it wouldn't have happened without these guys. It definitely wouldn't have. These guys stepped to the plate, worked with me through the whole project. They really have a passion for this, and they got a really good thing going on. And I'm very privileged to be working with them now and in the future on future Oldsmobiles. But this is everything I could have ever wanted. They went above and beyond on everything. They're a great team. Alan, Ken, Franklin, Frank, their wives, everybody's sacrificed so much here in the last 9 months that they did this car. It's just unbelievable, and I couldn't be more happier. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
And you can also, I just want to point out, you can follow the restoration process and how we did here at MCACN in Musclecar Review.
Yeah, Drew Harden.
There's several more articles to come out in the next several months, so please, grab an issue of that at your newsstand. Also follow us on Facebook, or check us out on www.garnercars.com, and you'll see the kind of work that we're doing.
Absolutely. Very good. You have to make a salesman out of you.
I know, I love it. This is great.
Will.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is a 1967 Ford Mustang GTA. It was an S-code car. That means it came with a 394 barrel. This is, according to Kevin Marty, a one-of-one Acapulco Blue. The options made it a one-of-one, and it took us about a year to do this car. It's actually presently for sale. This was going to be my personal car, but I've got so many going on right now that I've got to get rid of something. So we decided to bring her up here to MCACN and let the world see just what kind of work we do on other makes as well. So this one here is on display for everybody to appreciate, and we hope that somebody will step up and say, hey, I'd like to have that car in my collection. We've been real proud to do it and have it for the last year. Total frame, well, not really frame off you would call it because it's a unibody, but total restoration. All these cars are complete restorations, nut, bolt, wire, everything that goes into them gets addressed. So if you'd like to take a minute and walk around and just kind of take some shots of this beauty, please enjoy it.